Okay, this just arrived, which is good. Note. And the box itself. Let's just undo the paper, seal. Come on, there you go. Right, so fan and the adapter lead. That was interesting. No instructions in this one for some reason. The others had that single sheet of instructions. So fan itself. Yeah, completely dead. And that does look slightly bowed to me, which is slightly worrying. Oh yeah, it's distinctly bowed. It's not, well, I don't know, that's definite bow on it. This side, perfectly flat. That's worrying. I'll try and charge it anyway on a 500 milliamp USB socket. Actually, if I try and measure this now, I'll see whether it bows up any more after it's charged. Yeah, I mean, that is way off. Maybe if I hold it down, I don't know how much of the thickness gonna. Let's try that. So across the center there, that is 31.15 mil. I'll charge it up, see what happens. Okay, so it's been on charge overnight now on a USB port that's limited to 500 milliamps, and sure enough, you can see that it's got 4 lights showing. It has still got a swelling on the side. It's had a chance to cool down now. It's been 12 hours basically since I first got it, and that's showing 31.75, so it's wider than it was. So the battery pack has obviously swollen up slightly since charging it. That's, and the case should be, by the looks of it, about 30 and a half, 30.6 mil. So it's significantly more underneath the battery or over the battery. Anyway, it is slightly swollen, but it seems to work. Fast, medium, slow, and it's not rubbing. So unless you press it, but obviously you're not supposed to do that. But it seems okay. So I'm going to keep it. If it does pop up anymore, then it will certainly start to rub. But I know how to take it apart now and can easily swap the battery out for another one if needs be. But it does seem to be working. So that's good.